Alright, inside this can up there, this morning Mr. Gensch loaded a bit of natural gas for me. There. Now, this is the safety flame that you would have used in your normal laboratory, a Bunsen burner. So to actually achieve this safety flame, I trust that you still remember you have to close your air hole. In other words, restrict oxygen access to this particular container. Now, at the bottom, to simulate the same situation, out here we've got a hole at the very bottom of this can. So air is constantly being drawn from the bottom towards the top. Observe the color of the flame now. What's it doing? Changing color, isn't it? It goes from a red flame to a blue flame. So in other words, the temperature is getting higher, but what's happening is that we got less fuel. And as it turns out, if you actually change the color of the flame, I hope that you still remember that the temperature now has increased. But the flame is not as tall, isn't it? That's because of the very fact that we are running out of fuel. But you see, a lot of people keep on thinking that if you have more fuel, you get more explosion, right? That's actually not true. So, you know what, boys? Let's get back a little bit. Anytime now.
No, it's recording now. He won't record.